Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to compress a video on iMovie application using your iPhone or your iPads. The first thing you want to do is to open your iMovie application to get started. Now, go ahead and open up your project or import the video you want to compress into iMovie. After importing your video onto your iMovie timeline, go ahead and make any necessary edits such as trimming unnecessary parts, adding filters, effects, etc. After you are done with your edit, go ahead and get to the upper left corner and tap on Done in order to save your changes. This will now take you to this page from where you will need to tap on the little share icon, and this will open up a pop-up where you'll need to tap on Save or Share Video option. Now in the pop-up, expand this option drop-down. In the options, go ahead and reduce the resolution and quality to significantly decrease file size. You can go ahead and choose the lowest resolution, and after you are done, click on Done at the top right. Now, go ahead and tap on Save Video, and you will then be able to reduce file size with iMovie. iMovie doesn't offer a direct compression settings, but you can significantly reduce file size by adjusting the video quality and resolution. If the video was helpful to you, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.